Right, everyone. So as you can see, we're trying something different tonight. We've got red, green, yellow pepper, got a tin of baked beans, got a tin of full brand bully beef. There's onion there, and then put some garlic and herb, black pepper, a hint of curry in it. There's paprika and some crushed chili as well, which you're going to put in. Now, of course, we've also got some tomato sauce coming in at a later bit stage there, and be with you guys now. Right, guys, as you can see, the bully beef has been diced up nicely. Peppers is all cut up and all ready for action. And of course, the onions are now in the pan. We're going to brown them a little bit. Then we start putting all these goodies together, and we'll see how it comes out. This is a price package tonight, but it's going to be lekker. There we go, everyone. The onions is now going. Yeah, we get them brown a little bit. It's something new I'm trying, guys. I haven't tried this before. I don't know what they call it, but I can guarantee it's going to be so lekker. Yeah, so it is the 28th of May 2026, a Friday evening, and we're making this concoction, and it just has to be delicious. So as we go along, yeah, we're getting all the stuff ready, and yeah, be with you guys in a bit. And in goes the diced corned beef. We put some spices on that now. And the spices are in. Now we start stirring up all this delicious mixture. That stir it up well. So it can cook through nicely evenly. You see the onions are getting nice and brown. Just stirring this up and get the spices working very well. Just like that. Yep, like that, yeah. It's really looking very, very lekker. Okay. Look at that. Yo, yummy. As you can see, guys, it's going on very well. And now we're going to just dump in the peppers. There's green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. All the lekker peppers there. That's in there. Like that. We get that mixed up really well. Wow, this looks good, guys. Yo. Ek en my Cherry gaan lekker eet vanaand. Maar se chops, kyk nou hierso. Jo. Lekker snytjie op die brood en dan sit jy hier gedoen op daar. Wat sê, lyk lekker man. Look at that, guys. Look at that. How delicious that looks. And it's so easy and so quick to make, honestly. Right, now we're dumping in a whole tin of lekker baked beans there as well. Like that. We're going to stir it up all into that there like that. Yo, how lekker that looks. Maar some lilies.